And i-post ko lang yung mga comment ng ating mga viewers. So sabi rito, ganda raw ng learning. Thank you, Coach Allen. Very useful po yung mga YouTube videos nyo. Sabi din ni Ronnie, I learned a lot. You can join as a gold member. You can avail of our training na for free. Meron ka ng business and at the same time, meron ka ng free training sa amin. Of course, worth of products na yun. May kasamang products yun. Yung platinum package natin sa gold package. So, you can avail of the free trainings na binanggit namin sa inyo. But this is exclusive only for Team Avengers under Coach Allen.
If you want to unlock the secrets to your online success, watch the video and don't forget to subscribe.
Next topic na tayo. Let's move on. We are now on the personal branding. Okay, very important to. Ito, isa sa tinuturo ni Coach Allen. Talagang he goes deep down dun about personal branding. And in fact, in one of our training session, isa sa estudyante namin or most of our student, in-apply agad yung natutunan and very effective siya when it comes to personal branding, whether it be personal or product. Kasi branding nga, it gives you, bibigyan ng loyalty, quality, no, identity mo, and trust. No, nagkakaroon ng trust yung tao sa'yo. So, we will teach you how to create yung effective or magandang ads creative, no, with the tools, no, marketing tools, marketing materials, mga apps na pwede nyong gamitin para makagawa kayo ng ads creative. Ano yung ads creative? Ito yung mga video, yung mga image, videos, especially videos. No? Very important na matutunan nyo anything about video creation. No? Pag-create ng video. Mamaya malalaman niyo yan with Coach Allen. Kasi now, mataas na yung rate pagka-video. Tuturuan din namin kayo kung paano mag-create ng viral post. Kasi guys, hindi nyo mapapalaki or mapapalawak yung business nyo kung hindi nagva-viral yan. Kung walang walang pumapansin. So, ituturo namin sa inyo kung paano mapansin yung business mo, paano mag-viral yan. Kung nagpo-post ka lang ng image or one-time, walang boring na content, walang papansin yan. So, tinuturo namin yan. And of course, we will teach you how to maintain yung online presence. Online presence, whether it be sa Facebook or sa YouTube. Importante yung online presence nyo. Hindi kayo pwede maging faceless marketer kasi tao or people will really find you, will really look for you. Kung hindi ka nakikita, hindi ka active, hindi ka kilala, so wala yung online presence mo, mas lalapit sila doon sa very active or na-maintain yung online presence. No? So very important yan. Next, i-run through ko lang to and then I'll give you the cue. Ito na tayo. Sabi ko nga,
yes, sige, Coach.
Very important yung video. Other than dun sa mga nasasanay tayo na pag-create ng mga images, no? Ito, dapat we go deep down dun how important is video marketing. Sabi nga nila, 88% of video marketers reported that video gives them a positive ROI. Imagine it, guys. Hindi lang video na ikaw lang mismo, pwedeng yung product. Kung mapapansin nyo, if you will notice, sa mga Shopee, sa mga Lazada, or sa mga online platform, or even sa Facebook nyo, yung mga ina-offer na product nila, hindi na image. Video na. Naka-video na siya. So, pinapakita ron kung paano gamitin yung ina-offer nilang product using the video na. Video clips. Mas engaging yun rather than kung image lang yung ipapakita mo. Kaya ako minsan napapabili doon sa mga products na hinahanap ko pagka may pinakitang video kasi pakikita na rin kung gaano kaganda siya, kung ano yung feature niya, di ba? So, kompleto na because of that video. So, sabi nga, adding a video to your website increases your chances of ranking on the first page of Google results by 50 times. So, kung gumagawa ka ng videos, marunong ka mag-edit ng videos, gumagamit ka ng video marketing, malaki yung chance na ipakita sa Google result. Halimbawa, na Google search. Diba? Normally tayo maghahanap kasi number 1 ang Google sa search engine. Pag nag-type ka ron ng mga products or services na nahanap mo, kung video yung ginagamit mo, first page of Google results, magra-rank ka by 50 times. So, malaki yung chance na ipakita yung ina-offer mo as compared kung image lang. Yan, website visitors. No? Kung meron kang funnel, sales funnel, sa funnel mo, meron mga videos, are 64 to 85% more likely to purchase after watching a product or service video, di ba? So, ang laki ng chance mo. And according to eMarketer, no, online at website, sabi na 4 times as many consumers would rather watch a video about a product or service than magbasa. 4 times as many. Now, yung iba marami nagbabasa, of course. Hindi naman mawawala yan. Pero mas marami ngayon na talagang gusto lang nila is panoorin through video. Yung iba nga, ang strategy na iba, may video na, meron pang babasahin. So, either way, pwede mong gawin, pero hindi pwedeng mawala yung video. According to Martech Advisor, no, including video in emails, yan, even sa emails, no, if you're doing email marketing, kailangan meron ka ring nilalagay na video doon sa email mo. So, pwede ka naman mag-embed ng video mo. Including video in emails can boost click rates by 300%. Ibig sabihin, maraming nag-open ng emails mo at nag-engage sa ino-offer mo kung meron kang video na nakalagay doon. Ito, kilalang-kilala to siguro ng karamihang mga online marketers. Si Gary Vaynerchuk. Sabi niya, whether it's video on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, the content you need to be thinking about creating and marketing on social for your business is video, period. Sa kanya na nanggaling yan. Isa sa kilala at sikat na online marketer, online entrepreneur, si Gary V. Yan ang ina-advise niya na for now. So, kailangan we have to shift. Gone are the days na puro images lang. Now, kailangan na natin mag-post ng ating mga products and services using video. Ang tanong mo, Coach Eric, paano ba yan? Ang hirap kaya gumawa ng video. Paano ba mag-edit kung sakaling gagawa ko ng video? Marunong naman ako maggawa ng video. Kaya lang, yung video na ginagawa ko, Coach Allen, boring eh. Yung tipong ako lang yung nakikita all the time na nagsasalita. Di ba? So, eto na papasok si Coach Allen.
Okay, so guys, yung pag-usapan natin, mabilis lang naman is yung importance ng video plus si YouTube. Kasi magkakambal yan eh. You cannot have video alone. You need to have YouTube. Hindi rin naman pwedeng you have YouTube but you don't have a video. So, yan lang yung pag-uusapan natin. Para makita nyo lang yung importance. So, sige, umpisa na natin to dahil meron pa tayong isang presentation yata. Ano yung kay Jack Ma? Tama ba, Coach Eric? Okay, so...
Naka-full screen na. Video, okay. YouTube that builds your brand, business, and be your own boss.
Thank you, Coach Eric. So, kaya yan yung title ko kasi yan naman talaga po yung naging buhay ko is about videos and ngayon, currently, yung YouTube. So, mabilis lang po. So, kung makikita niyo po, most visited website of October 2019. So, mag-go 1 year na po itong figures na to. Ang nasa top is si Google, pangalawa si YouTube, then pangatlo si Facebook. So, dahil October 2019 to, maaring mas tumaas na po ito. Just imagine if you're creating a video, then nilalagay mo siya sa YouTube at nilalagay mo siya sa Facebook. So, nasa top 3 na kaagad yung traffic mo. Now, considering na si YouTube ay pag-aari ni Google, so meaning to say, makikita ka rin sa search engine ni Google. So, ang nire-recommend namin ni Coach Eric, ako at saka si Jack Ma, is that kung kaya yung online presence nyo at branding nyo is nasa YouTube at nasa Facebook, so much the better. Siyempre, kung kaya nyo i-manage yung other social media platforms niyo, then you can add Twitter or Instagram or LinkedIn. Pero ang pinaka-importante is to have these two, yung Facebook at YouTube, kasi kuha mo na rin si Google dahil pag-aari nga ni Google si YouTube. Just having these three is already very, very advantageous para sa'yo. Okay? So, kita niyo naman yung mga traffic. Napakalaki. So baka tanungin niyo ako, Coach Allen, sige, okay yung video, pero bakit may YouTube pa? Kailangan ba yan? Yes, kailangan ng YouTube kasi ang laki rin ng traffic sa YouTube at gusto rin namin ituro yan kasi aside sa Facebook, kung makukuha mo rin sa YouTube, marami ring benefits na pwede ikaw makuha. Now, yung iba sinasabi, ito yatang YouTube pang artista lang. Actually, hindi. So, katulad nito, si Vice Ganda, top 11 siya, pero hindi outdated na kasi itong pinapakita ko kasi as of August 4, 2019. To kaya lang wala akong mapakitang mas magandang presentation. Nakuha ko lang to sa internet. So, at least para magka-idea kayo. So, si Vice Ganda, during this time, is top 11. So, artista siya. Pero hindi totoo na porque hindi ka artista is hindi ka na magta-top sa YouTube. Katulad ni Kong TV, top 10 siya. So, nahigitan pa niya si Vice Ganda. And then, of course, alam niyo naman po, si Lloyd Cafe Cadena, recently lang siya po ay pumanaw na, pero isa rin siyang YouTuber na kilala at mas sikat pa siya sa mga celebrities. And then, of course, si Jamil, na dito na siya, 5.8 million subscribers. Pero hindi na po totoo yan kasi ang alam ko nasa 11 million subscribers na po si Jamil. Siya po yung top 2 during this time. Siyempre, ang top 1 is si Raffy Tulfo. Dito lang siya 5.3 pero hindi po, nasa 14 million subscribers na si Raffy Tulfo. Okay, may ginawa akong presentation recently lang at pinakita ko lang mabilis yung benefits of having a YouTube channel. So sabi ni Coach Eric, yung importance ng video. So since marunong ka rin mag-video at marunong ka rin mag-video edit, might as well magkaroon ka na rin ng YouTube channel. Magkakatuhog na kasi yan So mabilis lang, benefits of having a YouTube channel. It develops your personality development. Nade-develop ka kasi magre-research ka, nade-develop mo yung communication skills mo, and overall, natututo ka mga technical skills like paano ba yung ilaw ko, paano ba yung camera ko, paano ba yung background ko. So talaga made-develop ka. Just imagine sa TV, di ba, yung mga announcer, speaker, newscaster, when they go on air, ang iniisip lang nila yung script nila at yung how they look. Merong gumagawa ng script, merong director, may lightsman, may camera, pero pag ikaw ay YouTuber, ikaw lahat yon. So talagang made-develop yung personality mo to learn new skills and new things para mas ma-improve ka sa YouTube channel mo. Number 2, of course, pag may YouTube channel ka at may video ka, you help other people by giving them value, giving them tips in a particular field of interest nila or expertise mo na pwede mong i-share sa kanila. So kapag nakakatulong ka sa mga tao, then so much the better na magkakaroon ka ng mga followers or fan base that later on magiging mong customer. Number 3, of course, yung opportunity to create a solid fan base or followers, which yung nasabi ko nga. Katulad ko, nag-start ako sa YouTube way back, mga siguro 4 years ago, ang subscribers ko lang 82. Hindi ko masyado siniseryoso ang YouTube. So this year, sineryoso ko siya. Nag-start ako ng January 2020. And then, nagulat ako, yun, umangat na yung aking subscribers. So nasa 7,000 plus na. So by the end of this year, ang tina-target ko, maka 10,000 subscribers. So number 4, of course, unlimited reach while at home. Nasa bahay ka lang pero ang dami mong nare-reach na tao, hindi lang sa Pilipinas pero sa ibang bansa, which are potential customers sa existing business mo, whether online or traditional business. Number 5, dahil marami kang nare-reach na potential followers, prospect or customers, then that is free traffic or free advertisement na rin from one of the largest traffic generating platform, which is si YouTube. Number 6, free targeted prospects. Meaning to say, targeted na yan kasi pag ang mga tao pumunta sa YouTube, may hinahanap sila. Remember, si YouTube is a search engine. When people go to YouTube, they're searching for something. Maybe they're searching for a solution for their problems, or maybe they're looking for a recipe for a cake, or maybe they are looking for a business opportunity. Now, targeted na yun. Pag ikaw yung nakita nila, then you know that that person is interested already. Kaya free targeted prospects. Number 7, dahil nasa YouTube ka, then your customers will find you. Okay? Meaning to say, ang laking bagay nun, di ba? Kasi ngayon, iba ang nangyayari. Tayo yung naghahanap ng customer para sa business natin. Tayo yung lumalapit, tayo nang hunting ng customer. Sa YouTube, iba. Ikaw ang huntingin, ikaw ang matatagpuan, which is much better. Kasi you know that when that person lands on your YouTube channel, they already have a need. So, ibig sabihin, mas targeted talaga. Malaki yung chance na ma-close mo siya kasi meron siyang interest dun sa sinasabi mo. So your customers will find you. Just imagine kung may customers na willing mag-invest or willing mag-join ng isang business, ready na. Ang problema, hindi kanya natagpuan sa YouTube. Ibang tao yung natagpuan niya. So lost opportunity yon. Instead na sa'yo na napunta, sa iba napunta kasi wala ka sa YouTube, di ba? So make sure that your customers will find you sa YouTube. Number 8, your video content never dies. Meaning to say, once you create a video sa YouTube, kahit 10 years mo lang nagawa yan, as long as it is still being watched and it is valuable or evergreen, pag sinabing evergreen, ibig sabihin hindi naluluma yung iyong content, then you will keep on leveraging dun sa video na yon. Papakinabangan mo yung video na yun kahit minsan mo lang ginawa. So your video content never dies. Number 9, YouTube pays you and the opportunity to make lots of money. Ito yung the best. Pag gumawa ka ng video, gumawa ka ng video about your business, so nagka-customers ka, then that is good. So, kumita ka, di ba? Leveraging YouTube. Pero hindi lang yun. YouTube also will pay you sa video mo kasi si YouTube may tinatawag na YouTube Partnership Program wherein maglalagay siya ng ads dyan sa mga videos mo sa YouTube channel mo at kapag napanood yung mga ads na yon, then you have a percentage dun sa kita or bayad ng advertisers kay YouTube. So, babayaran ka rin ni YouTube dahil nag-play siya ng ads. Okay? So, you will really make lots of money because maraming avenues at maraming income streams na pwede pumasok sa'yo sa kakaroon mo ng YouTube channel. Let me give you an example. Hindi ko na lang pinakita kung magkano kinita ko dahil nakakahiya naman. So, kita nyo na lang, centavos na lang or cents na lang yung nakikita nyo dyan sa tabi. So, ito yung pinapadala sa akin monthly ni YouTube via Western Union. Binabayaran niya ako monthly dahil sa mga advertisement na pine-place niya sa YouTube channel ko. So, every 21st of the month, 21, pupunta na ako ng Western Union, then saka ko withdrawin yung aking tinatawag na YouTube sweldo or yung kinita ko sa YouTube. So that's good, di ba? May kinikita ka just by enjoying creating videos, di ba? And helping others. So that's one, yung sa YouTube Partnership Program. Pwede kang kumita dyan. Number 2, kung mapapansin niyo po ito, meron pong nag-message sa akin lately. Sabi, "Hi Sir Allen, good day. I am Blank from Blank Systems Incorporated. I watch your videos on YouTube. I was wondering if you do sponsored videos. This will be about Google Classroom. Thanks." Sabi niya, "What do you think about the idea of featuring our solutions in one of your videos? Are you open for that? We offer unbreakable internet connectivity, network security, IT support for education. We partnered with G Suite," or si Google yon. "Our market are small to medium businesses." Then bigla niya sinabi, "If ever, what would be your package?" So tinatanong ako kung magkano raw ang package ko. Just imagine guys. So na-close ko na po ito. So may ginagawa po akong videos for this company, Singaporean company, na regarding sa internet connectivity. So hindi lang ako kumita sa YouTube Partnership Program, kumita ako dahil meron akong nakuhang clients na naghahanap ng tinatawag nilang YouTube influencer that can help them endorse and promote their product. Yan po yung isa. Then, of course, dun po sa e-commerce business ko sa Salveo World, natulungan din ako ni YouTube and of course, nagkaroon ako ng car incentive promo because of my YouTube channel. Ganon din naman si Coach Eric. Kaya, importante po na matutunan nyo rin ito dahil marami pong income streams na pwede nyo ma-open up if you know how to create a video and have your own YouTube channel. Okay. And lastly, yung number 10, you become an influencer or a celebrity in a particular niche. Meaning to say, you grow your following because you are an expert in the eye of a particular group in a particular niche or interest group. Katulad ko po, ang niche or interest group na nagfa-follow po sa akin is more on online business, video, e-commerce. So, yan po, dyan po ako medyo tinitingnan as expert. Now, pagdating po sa Facebook ads, hindi po ako expert dyan. Although marunong po ako mag-Facebook ads naman, I don't consider myself nandyan sa niche na yan. Pinapaubaya ko na yan sa mentor ko na si Coach Eric. Yan po talaga expertise ni Coach Eric. Pero pagdating sa YouTube, sa videos, dyan po talaga ako. So may kanya-kanya po tayong expertise. So yun ang maganda po dito sa ating group kasi we will be able to show you yung mga tamang dapat gawin sa mga different avenues or platforms, social media platforms that you should concentrate on para to have a successful online business. Okay, so mabilis lang po, influencer, kasi na-mention ko rito, you become an influencer, kasi ito po yung katotohanan. When you're an influencer, an individual who has the power to affect buying decisions of others because they are well-known, well-loved, well-respected in their niche. Meaning to say, pag influencer ka, then meron kang power na maapektuhan mo yung pagdidesisyon niya, yung buying decisions niya. So, if you are well-known, well-loved, and well-respected sa niche mo, then you have that power to affect their buying decisions. Kasi, ito po yung hard reality. Please, sa lahat ng sinabi ko, ito po yung pakinggan ninyo, okay? Babasahin ko. Nobody appreciates you until you are a somebody. Meaning to say, if you are a somebody, ang tingin sa'yo ay celebrity, ang tingin sa'yo ay expert, then ang taas ng value mo, you will be well-loved, well-respected, so therefore, you will be able to influence their buying decision. Pero kung if you are a nobody, I'm sorry, hindi ka bibigyan ng atensyon, hindi ka bibigyan ng time, hindi ka pakikinggan. Unang approach mo pa lang, rejected ka na kaagad. But if you are a somebody, unang approach mo pa lang, entertainin ka kaagad. Totoo po yan. Ilang beses ko nang napatunayan sa buhay ko yan. Now, halimbawa ikaw ay agent. For example, financial agent, real estate agent, consultant. These are all good careers. Kaya lang, you are treated as dirt. Pag sabing treated as dirt, di ba po, kapag may lumapit na financial advisor sa'yo, tinatakbuhan or parang natatakot kasi iisipin ko, komisyonan. Pag agent ka, ay bebentahan lang ako. Gusto lang makabenta nito. So you are treated dirt. Pero pag influencer ka, kahit anong ibenta mo, you are treated as celebrity. Totoo po yan. I'll give you an example. Si Boss Sanchez, kilala niyo, di ba? Si Boss Sanchez. Alam naman natin, si Boss Sanchez is a spiritual lay preacher. Nagtuturo siya about spiritual things, about the Bible, forgiveness, love, yan, di ba? Mga tinuturo niya. Then, bigla siya nag-shift. Nag-shift siya at ang tinuro niya is, I want to teach you about the stock market and finances. Ang tanong, ano ba nang alam niya sa finances? Hindi naman siya financial analyst, hindi naman siya accountant, wala po siyang alam about finances. Pero nag-shift siya at nagturo siya about stock market. So, anong reaction ng mga tao? Tanggap na tanggap ng mga tao yung tinuturo niya kahit hindi siya expert about it. Although nagkaroon na siya na experience about it, pero we cannot consider him as an expert dahil mas marunong pa kay Boss Sanchez. But, ang daming nakikinig sa kanya when it comes to financial literacy. Why? Because he's an influencer. Ang tingin sa kanya, celebrity. Ang tingin sa kanya is someone that they can trust at hindi lolokohin. Kaya kahit anong ibenta niya, kahit anong sabihin niya, oo at oo lang yung mga tao. And that is an influencer. Tanong, siya ba'y nagbebenta at agent? Then, of course, he's an agent. Of course, he's selling something. But hindi ganun ang dating. Hindi ang dating ay parang salesman. Ang dating niya ay influencer, ang dating niya is an expert, ang dating niya ay isang kaibigan na pwedeng pagkatiwalaan. Pag ikaw ay wala niyan, ulitin ko kung hindi influencer ang tingin sa'yo ng tao at ikaw lang ay parang nagbebenta, I am sorry, lagi kang rejected. Yan ang parang pinagkaiba ng isang sales representative or medrep at saka doktor. Again, I have nothing about medical representative. These are good careers na pwede mong gawin. Pero tingnan nyo guys ang medrep, hinahabol niya yung kanyang customer, which is doctors. Naghihintay sa pila para magkaroon ng appointment sa doktor para ipakita yung mga gamot na ibebenta niya para i-recommend ng doktor. Correct? So, siya naghahabol. Parang ganun. Ganun na nagbebenta. Pero ang doktor, kahit late na pumasok sa kanyang clinic, nakapila pa rin ang mga pasyente at hindi nagrereklamo. So why? Because they know that the doctor is someone na dalubhasa, ito yung makakatulong sa sakit ko. So talaga magtsatsaga akong pumila at maghintay at dumating siya. That is an influencer and that is something na dapat meron ka sa online business. Now, baka tanong mo ko, anong klaseng influencer? It's knowledge-based influencer, meaning to say, dapat marami kang alam na skills, lalo na sa online. Dapat may yung knowledge mo, ma-impart mo sa kanila kasi kung magagawa mo yon, then you become an influencer that has the power to affect buying decisions and you will be well-known, well-loved, and well-respected. Ito po yung ginagawa namin la Coach Eric, knowledge-based influencer. Yung kung anong alam ni Coach Eric sa Facebook ads, tinuturo niya, so it add value to him. Ganun din naman ako, yung expertise ko sa video and YouTube, knowledge base. Ganun din si Jack Ma, yun rin yung kanyang tinuturo about sales funnels and website development. So, what will you learn when you join our team? Sa part ko po, of course, you will learn how to create different kinds of video. Marami po kasing iba't ibang klaseng video that you will learn. Number 2, how to craft your online branding to match your video presence. Dapat nagmamatch ang dalawang yan, hindi pwedeng hindi magmatch. Okay? So, learn how to video edit. Dito lang sa number 3, punong-puno ka na busog ka na dito dahil matututunan nyo kung paano yung techniques na ginagawa ko sa pagtuturo or paggawa ng video editing. And of course, bonus na rin po, you will learn YouTube policy, how to build your views and subscribers on YouTube, learn how to get monetized on YouTube, kung paano ka kikita sa YouTube, and learn how the YouTube algorithm works for your favor. Yan po yung matututunan nyo when you become part of our team nila Coach Eric at nila Jack Ma. So, Coach Eric, that's it. Talagang mabilisan ko lang binigay kasi I know that marami pa silang kailangan malaman at may part pa si Jack Ma. If you have any questions, lagyan nyo lang po sa comment section para mamaya masagutan namin la Coach Eric at nila Jack Ma. That's it. Thank you very much, Coach Eric.
We will jump in. So I hope may natutunan kayo about video editing, about YouTube, kung ano yung importance nun, kung gaano ka-important yung pagkaroon ng video, kung paano mag-edit ng, tuturo namin sa inyo kung paano mag-edit ng video when you join our team. Gusto lang malaman kung paano mo ginagawa yung ano mo, yung Iron Man mask mo na nag-open and close pa.
Well, para magawa yan, kinakailangan maging ganito ka. So, yan, naging babae.
Kaya, no, naging girl naman si Coach Allen, no? So, Coach, ang dami raw learning, sabi nila, no? Dami pong learning. So, ayan, nakita nyo kung gaano important yung video editing, kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng online presence. Okay, so Coach, jump in na tayo sa ating next topic. What support ipo-provide namin sa inyo, no? When you join our team or when you want to learn deep dito sa ating training. Have a weekly live webinar. No? Normally, hindi naman ito naka-broadcast pero meron tayong live Q&A weekly, no? To learn, no? Ask questions and get cutting-edge strategies to keep growing every week through our exclusive Facebook group and group chat. Ito very important to ngayon, no? Especially sa online, yung merong live Q&A na ginagawa namin. Kasi nga sa online ngayon, very quick yung mga changes, mabilis yung mga changes, no? Kung hindi kayo up to date, medyo maiiwan. Ang kagandahan with our weekly live webinar Q&A, even yung mga members namin na may mga na-encounter na mga bagong strategies or mga bagong changes, no? We share, no? We mastermind and then we share sa team, tinuturo namin sa team, and at the same time nakakapag-interact with each other. At marami kaming natututunan through our weekly Q&A sa aming exclusive Facebook group and group chat, no? May group chat din tayo. Summary. Yun nga, in this course, no, kung talagang magjo-join kayo sa team namin, sa Team Avengers, you will learn the following, no, yung Facebook Ads Mastery, no. Hindi to basic lang. In our case, talagang mastery na, no. Facebook Ads Mastery yung tinuturo namin. And of course, yung Messenger marketing strategy, tuturo natin yan kung paano mag-market using yung chatbot, especially ManyChat, no. Meron pa kaming ibang platform na pwedeng ituro other than ManyChat, no? Marami diyang platform na we can offer you or we can give you for free other than ManyChat. Sales funnel and website creation. Ito, natutuwa ako rito, no? Especially dun sa sinashare dun sa matututunan nyo with Jack Ma. Baka next week na natin yon, Coach Allen, itong website and sales funnel using yung online store using Shopee. Next week, magte-training si Jack Ma kasi abutin na tayo ng 2 hours ngayon. Baka medyo kapusin na tayo. And then, personal and product branding. Yan, tuturo din namin yan. Facebook and video marketing. And of course, yung live Q&A. Yan nga, this type of training, no, will normally cost you mga around 15,000. But, we will give you 2 options. Yan, sa mga nakikinig ngayon. You have 2 options. First option, if you avail of yung Salveo World membership package. Kung hindi ka pa member ng Salveo World, kumbaga undecided ka pa kung talagang lalaki yung business mo, no? At hindi ka pa nagde-decide for now, no? Avail of our membership package and you will get our training for free. Lahat ng tinuturo namin, lahat ng pinag-usapan natin kung paano ma-master Facebook ads, video editing, at saka yung YouTube para magkaroon ka ng online presence sa online industry. If you avail of the Salveo World Membership Package, free na yung ituturo namin sa iyo. Makakasama ka na rin sa aming private group chat and sa ating weekly na Q&A, live Q&A, question and answer. Sabihin, pag may tanong ka, sasagutin namin agad right there and then. Live siya. That's the first option. Ngayon, of course, marami tayong mga members dito na members din ng Salveo World pero wala na silang mga Jackma, wala na silang walang support na nakukuha, hindi nila alam kung paano simulan yung business, nawala nila yung kanilang mga uplines or mga direct uplines, no? Wala siyang training na available na pwedeng sundan. And if you don't like, no, ayaw mo mag-Salveo World, gusto mo, meron kang sarili mong product na ginagawa or meron kang sariling services na ino-offer or meron kang affiliate marketing from other company or businesses that you have online, no? Pwede rin kayong makasali sa amin at dito sa second option, no, avail of our promo na $699 para matutunan nyo in-depth yung mga trainings namin. So, yeah, yan yung dalawang option that we can give you. Sabi nga, it is not the strongest of the species that survives. They're the most intelligent, but the most responsive to change. No? Kailangan responsive ka sa change. If businesses want to survive in the competitive landscape, no, yung online presence mo is a must. Thanks for watching. This is Coach Eric, Jackma, and Coach Allen. Thank you.